French or German? Which one is better? That's a question that we often get. Now it depends on what you are getting into. If you want to get into teaching, then French could be a better option because obviously more schools offer French as a subject than they offer, let's say, Spanish or German. But if you have a dream of pursuing your master's in engineering in Germany, then obviously you will learn German. Now, again, it also depends on how you are able to learn the language. German is a little complicated, the grammar is very detailed, but the pronunciation isn't that challenging. French, on the other hand, the pronunciation is a challenge. Now, if you're looking for a job, then you have to see which industry. For example, if you want to get into tourism, then you have to see what is your clientele. If you have more Spanish clients, then learn Spanish. If you have German tourists, but their English is fine, then you really do not need German to support them. But if you have French tourists whose English is not that strong, then obviously if you are a French expert or you can speak French, then you will be able to communicate with them quite well.